numpy vectorized, check if strings in array end with strings in another array. I have two arrays containing strings. For each string in the one array, I want to check whether it ends in the strings in the second array. Input. Desired output. As val1 ends in 1 as well as in al1, both 0, 0 and 0, 2 are true. I have the following working code. And it returns the desired output. However, for large arrays, ~109 output elements, the map in the last line takes quite a while, since np.vectorize and map are pretty much just a wrapper around a for loop. Does anyone know of a faster, vectorized method to do this?
NumPy has these kind of operations for char arrays, numpy.core.diffchararray.inswith. The following bit of code speeds things up quite a bit, but it does take a lot of memory as you create two arrays of the same size as your output array. Update. As Divakar noted, the above code can be consolidated into
Here's an almost vectorized approach making use of NumPy broadcasting. Sample run. Almost because of the use of map, but since we are only using it to get the lengths of the strings of the input elements, its cost must be minimal in comparison to the other operations needed to solve our case.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.